upbeat music playing. Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart. Today, we're taking to the skies with two drones that promise to turn you into the next Spielberg, or at least help you spy on your neighbors more effectively. On the left, we have the Heygelo S90, and on the right, the TENSSENX GPS drone. Let's dive in and see which one will make you the king or queen of the skies. First up, let's talk cameras. The Heygelo S90 comes with a 1080p HD FPV Wi-Fi camera. It's like the iPhone 6 of drone cameras. Reliable, but not exactly cutting edge. Perfect for capturing your dog's epic backyard adventures or that one time your uncle tried to barbecue and nearly set the house on fire. Reviewers say the camera quality is good for the price, but don't expect cinematic footage. Now, the TENSSENX GPS drone, on the other hand, boasts a 4K, ultra-clear camera with a 120 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable lens. It's like having a Hollywood director in your backpack. This thing captures details so crisp, you can count the hairs on your neighbor's cat from 200 feet up. Creepy? Maybe. Impressive? Absolutely. Reviewers love the camera quality, stating it's better than more expensive drones they've seen. Next, let's see how long these bad boys can stay airborne. The Heygelo S90 offers a respectable 26 minutes of flight time with its two modular batteries. That's enough time to annoy your siblings, freak out the local birds, and maybe even capture some decent footage. Reviewers appreciate the decent flight time for its price. But the TENSSENX? This thing can stay up for a whopping 46 minutes. That's practically a feature-length film. You could fly it to the store and back, assuming you live in an alternate universe where drones are the primary mode of transportation. Reviewers do note that while the flight time is great, the battery life could be better. Now, let's get to the part that really matters: your wallet. The Heygelo S90 is a steal at just $59. That's cheaper than a date at your local steakhouse, and let's be honest, probably more fun. Reviewers find it to be a great, entry-level drone for beginners. The TENSSENX, however, is a bit of a high roller at $169. Sure, it's got all the bells and whistles, but it might leave you eating ramen for the next month. Reviewers agree that it's worth the price for the features it offers, but it's definitely an investment. Let's talk features. The Heygelo S90 is like that overachieving kid in school who does everything: 360 degrees flips, high-speed rotation, circle flight, trajectory flight, and it even listens to voice commands. Plus, it's got a VR mode, so you can feel like you're in a sci-fi movie while flying it. Reviewers love the fun features, although some find the app lacking. The TENSSENX, though, is like the valedictorian with a full-ride scholarship. GPS auto return home, follow me, waypoint fly, point of interest, and even more intelligent functions. It's like flying a tiny, very obedient robot butler. Reviewers appreciate the advanced features, although some find them tricky to use at first. Overall, the Heygelo S90 is praised for being a fun, affordable, entry-level drone that's perfect for beginners. It's durable, easy to fly, and offers a decent camera for its price, although the app could use some improvements. On the other hand, the TENSSENX GPS drone is lauded for its advanced features and superior camera quality. While it comes at a higher price, reviewers believe it's worth every penny for those serious about drone flying. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for a budget-friendly drone that still delivers some serious fun, the Heygelo S90 is a solid choice. But if you're ready to splurge and want all the latest tech, the TENSSENX GPS drone is the clear winner. Either way, you'll be the coolest person in the park. or at least the one with the best aerial footage. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Check out the product links in the description below. Until next time, fly high and buy smart.